In India, a select few advocates rise directly from the bar to the bench, sometimes even to the Supreme Court. But what sets them apart? It starts with Article 217 of the Constitution, which sets the eligibility 10 years of High Court practice. But make no mistake, eligibility is not the same as suitability. What truly matters is reputation, the kind built over years, not just through case wins, but through consistent legal excellence, integrity, and visibility. First, develop subject matter expertise. Whether in constitutional law, criminal litigation, or commercial disputes, depth wins respect. Second, sharpen your courtcraft. Judges notice clarity, respect, and your ability to assist the court, even if they never say it aloud. Third, aim for impact. Reported judgments and appearances in significant cases amplify your footprint in jurisprudence. But legal brilliance alone isn't enough. The Collegium consults widely. Senior advocates, sitting judges, even the Intelligence Bureau. Your peer reputation and integrity must be beyond reproach. Engaging with legal academia, writing, and mentoring shows your deeper commitment to the system. Recognition as a senior advocate can be a milestone, but not a necessity. The path to the bench isn't a checklist. It's a legacy you build, one hearing, one brief, one act of integrity at a time. In the end, you're not just aiming for a position. You're earning the trust of the judiciary to carry forward the torch of justice.